In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress admin error issues step by step. If you're unable to access your WordPress dashboard, seeing a blank page, getting a 500 internal server error, or facing login problems, don't worry. I'll walk you through the most effective troubleshooting methods to get your WordPress admin area working again. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you, be sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials and website fixes. Let's get started. The first thing you should try is restarting your site. Sometimes WordPress admin errors are caused by temporary glitches, server timeouts, or local environment issues. If you're using a local development tool like Local, XAMPP, or WAMP, simply stop the site and start it again. If your site is live, you can restart services from your hosting control panel or contact your hosting provider to refresh the server. After restarting, try accessing your WP-admin page again. In many cases, a simple restart can immediately resolve the issue. If the problem continues, the next step is to check your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted or outdated browser data can cause login loops, display errors, or prevent the admin dashboard from loading correctly. Open your browser settings and clear your cache and cookies. After clearing them, close your browser completely and reopen it. You can also try accessing your WordPress admin area in an incognito or private window. Another good test is to use a completely different browser. If the admin panel loads in another browser, then the issue is likely related to cache data. Next, let's clear your DNS cache. Sometimes your operating system stores outdated DNS information, which can prevent your site from loading properly. If you're using Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig/flush DNS, then press Enter. On Mac OS or Linux, you can run the appropriate DNS flush command for your system. Once that's done, restart your browser and try accessing your WordPress admin again. This step is especially useful if your site was recently moved or if you changed domain settings. Another important troubleshooting step is to test with a fresh WordPress installation. If you're working locally, create a new blank WordPress site in your local environment, then try accessing its admin dashboard. If the new site works perfectly, that means the issue is specific to your original WordPress installation and not your server or local environment. This helps you narrow down the root cause much faster. Now let's talk about plugins, because plugins are one of the most common causes of WordPress admin errors. If you can still access your dashboard, go to Plugins and deactivate all plugins at once. After deactivating them, try refreshing the admin area. If the issue is resolved, then one of your plugins was causing the problem. Reactivate them one by one, checking the admin area each time until the error comes back. The last plugin you activated is likely the culprit. If you cannot access the dashboard at all, you can deactivate plugins manually. Go to your WordPress installation folder, open WP Content, and rename the Plugins folder to something like Plugins Disabled. This will automatically deactivate all plugins. Then try logging into your admin area again. If it works, rename the folder back to Plugins and reactivate each plugin individually from the dashboard. If disabling plugins doesn't fix the issue, the next step is to switch to a default WordPress theme. Sometimes a broken or incompatible theme can cause admin errors. Go to your WP Content folder, then open the Themes folder. Find your active theme and rename its folder by adding something like Disable to the end. WordPress will automatically revert to a default theme, such as 2024, as long as one is installed. After renaming the theme folder, try accessing your admin dashboard again. If it loads, then your theme was causing the issue. Another common fix is increasing the PHP memory limit. Low memory can trigger fatal errors in the WordPress admin area. To increase it, open your wp-config.php file. Scroll down, and before the line that says Happy Publishing, add this line. Define, open parentheses, single quote, wp_memory_limit, single quote, comma, single quote, 256M, single quote, close parentheses, semicolon. Save the file and upload it back to your server if necessary. Then refresh your admin page and see if the issue is resolved. By following these steps, restarting your site, clearing browser cache, flushing DNS, testing a fresh installation, disabling plugins, switching to a default theme, and increasing PHP memory, you can fix most WordPress admin errors quickly and safely. That's it. You've learned how to fix WordPress admin error problems using practical, beginner-friendly troubleshooting steps. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress guides, website fixes, and step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.